The aviation industry faces the challenge of becoming climate neutral by 2050. Jet engine emission research provides a central basis for this. It shows how engines perform under real conditions and what effects their emissions have on the environment and health.
For around 10 years now, the Swiss Federal Office of Civil Aviation, Technics, and the University of Applied Sciences in Zurich have been performing and coordinating regular emission measurements in the Technics test facility here in Zurich. The research activities are subsidized by a special financing program. The money is collected from aviation fuel taxation for domestic flights in Switzerland.
With the revitalized and completely modernized test cell number 2, we have created an infrastructure that enables exhaust emission measurements on an entirely new level. Already during the initial phase of the test cell 2 project, required space and interfaces were specified and designed in a way that allows additional measurements equipment being integrated in a professional manner. With the capability to test the LEAP and TTF engines at Technics, dedicated emission measurement can be performed with those newest generation engine types as well.
We, as the Zurich University of Applied Sciences, operate specialized emission measurement systems on the 2 engine test benches here at Technics. We analyze both gaseous emissions and particulates produced by different types of engines. These bench measurements enable us to precisely characterize emissions under repeatable conditions.
Tobias, can you lower the probe in 2 stages, please?
Starting now.
Building on more than 10 years of continuous development and improved instrumentation, we now achieve reliable measurement of sub-10 nanometer soot particles within extreme environments. The current installation allows us to run flexible measurement campaigns on different topics, such as the exposure of human lung cells and the interaction of the particles with the atmosphere. Such results will be useful for the evaluation of new engine technologies and alternative jet fuels.
As one example of these measurement campaigns, jet engine exhaust particles are guided to laboratory exposure systems, where their effects on human lung cells are investigated under controlled conditions. Subsequent analysis at the Adolf Merkel Institute of the University Fribourg provides insights into particle behavior and composition. Our setup also allows comparative studies. For example, to assess how sustainable aviation fuels influence emissions and particle characteristics.
As a test cell engineer at Technics, it is exciting to support research that improves how we measure and understand engine emissions. It drives the development of sustainable aviation technologies, which really inspires me.
Exhaust measurements tell us a lot about the different engine technologies. They provide us with the foundation for the development of new global emission standards.
Collaboration between government, science and industry creates a unique platform for this at Zurich Airport.
With this setup and collaboration in place, Technics is making a direct contribution to advancing applied research for sustainable technologies in aviation.
The emissions reductions we measure from latest generation engines
prove that this project is a success.
This research helps to ensure that flying remains safe, clean and affordable in the long term.